Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to VPS using Mosh instead of SSH. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect to a VPS using Mosh instead of SSH, first, ensure that you have Mosh installed on your local machine. If you are using macOS, you can install Mosh via Homebrew with the command brew install Mosh. For Ubuntu users, use the command sudo apt install Mosh. If you are on Windows, you can install Mosh using WSL or by downloading a suitable version from the official Mosh GitHub page. Next, make sure Mosh is installed on your VPS as well. You can install Mosh on your VPS by executing sudo apt install Mosh on Debian-based systems or using the appropriate package manager for your distribution. Once Mosh is installed on both your local machine and the VPS, you need to ensure that the firewall allows Mosh connections. Mosh typically uses UDP ports from 60,000 to 61,000. Check your firewall settings to confirm that these ports are open. Now, you can initiate a connection to your VPS using Mosh. Open your terminal and type the command mosh user at your _VPS_IP_ address. Replace user with your actual username and your _VPS_IP_ address with the IP address of your VPS. After issuing the command, you will be prompted to authenticate with your password as usual. Once authenticated, Mosh establishes a connection, allowing you to use your VPS seamlessly. Mosh will provide a more resilient connection compared to SSH, especially on unreliable networks. You can now interact with your VPS just as you would with an SSH session. To disconnect from Mosh, simply type exit in the terminal. Your Mosh session will close, and you will return to your local terminal. You can always reconnect using the same Mosh command if needed. If you encounter any issues during the connection, double-check that both Mosh and the necessary UDP ports are correctly configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.